Hello everyone, we are Team Nicolaus and we are going to present our final solution for the quarter final of NMO Season 4. I am Pratik Sankhe, Head of Department of Leadership. Now let's talk about the case. So we have Mr. Manoj Singh and Mr. Parth Mittal, who are started a company called as PM Clean Air Solution Private Ltd. And we as a consulting firm would like to give them solution about the production setup and the strategy across various departments to become a prominent player in the air purified market in India in coming times. Now let's talk about the air purified market in India. When we talk about air purified market, according to IQA group data, which was published in 2021, India accounted for 15 of the top 20 most polluted cities in the world. The air purifier market is expected to grow significantly because of the owing of the poor air quality and the increasing awareness regarding air quality index. Now, as a head of leadership department, we have assigned various tasks to various departments, which includes marketing, IT, HR, as well as finance. Now, let's talk about the production setup, which we suggest. First of all, we suggest them a plant location which is at the border of Delhi, specifically in the state of Haryana or UP, based on the benefits given by the state government. The reason is most of our target customers are in the northern part of India, owing to the poor air quality in the northern part as compared to other parts of India. Talking about the other thing, that is registration as per the Indian equity, as well industrial land setup is very important part. We also suggest them to take the pre-construction compliance as given in the solution. Now talking about strategy and inter-department collaboration, which is very important and vital part of the solution. For any successful company, inter-department collaboration and coordination is most important. So initially the focus of this company will be on retail consumers, which include individual buyers as well as corporates. And over the time, the focus will be on commercial consumers, which are big industries and government projects. Talking about the mission is to improve the air quality of life of the people by providing people clean and green air at affordable price. Talking about the current vision of the company is to drive the industry and emerge as the most reputed and admired air purifier brand in the nation. As I talk about the target customers, they are the family with small kids and young children and the people who are aware about the importance of air quality. Based on my colleagues' various suggestions, that is from marketing team, HR team, and the finance team, along with the support of the IT department, we are going to achieve this goal. Now, I will request each head of the various departments to give their solution. Thank you.
Hello. So the task given to us was to formulate the marketing strategy for the company PMCASPL for the air purifier system. So first of all, when we go with the marketing of the air purifier, we need to give the proper brand logo as proposed. As the company quoted that it is a product which uses natural plants and machines together. So I can name it as Bio Breeze, which includes bio related to plants and breeze, with a tagline called Clean Air Everywhere. Then when it comes to the philosophy, we can go with the marketing strategy, which comes with the vision and objective. Then we did the SWOT analysis, porter analysis of the whole company, how they can launch the product, which is air purifier system. Then when it comes to the marketing roadmap, we'll go first with the marketing research, where we'll identify the target markets. Then we'll do the proper segmentation, which will be consumer market and then industrial market, and then segmentation based on demographic, geographic, and other criteria. Then we'll target the population properly, which will be the best consumers for us to sell our product. Then we'll position our product with the proper logo, with proper positioning guidelines. And then we are going to implement the marketing mix strategy, which includes the 7 Ps. And for the brand establishment projection, we'll divide it into pre-launch, launch, or purchase, or post-purchase scenario. And then we are going to analyze it separately. When it comes to highlighting our USP, that would be as it uses the combination of natural plants and machines, and it gives you real-time analysis of air quality feedback monitoring and suggestions. Then when it comes to the brand outreach, we'll go with the print advertising, digital marketing, integrated marketing communication, customer relationship management, sales and distribution management. So overall, it would be the conducive selection of the whole methods totally. Then after the brand outreach, we can always be available to our customers post purchase as well. And then this is all. Thanks.
So to do with the financial management of the company, we have approached a three-step process. Initially, we have asked each and every department what could be their budget. With this budget, we have approached them that what can be the technological implementation in their parts and how can it impact the final objective of the goal. Later, we prepared a cost sheet with their presumed budget, and then we could find that the cost per unit would come around 18,000, which is pretty higher as compared to the market value. Hence, we restructured the things with some risk and reward, and then came up with a final conclusion that the price per unit can be 15,999, which is equivalent with the market competitors presently available in the market. And we have assumed that we can take the 3.7 market share presently in the country this year, and the market is presumed to be increasing by 31% CAGR each year. Hence, with this calculation, we can see the initial year we will be making loss, but this is because of the high overhead cost, that is the AQM, interest and consulting fees we can see over there. And later, with around 44,000 production units, sales of the production unit, we can make a break even. So this is on the left side, you can see all the cost sheet analysis with the detailed explanation. Later with this, we have a department-wise budget in the central part, and HR department cost, and a working capital. The importance of working capital is that our company is a new company and we cannot take a risk to have the working capital destroyed, because if the production is dephased from the running track, we cannot come back to the normal age. Hence, this is the amount, and we can see the departmental cost is well below 10 crores, which is the esteemed target. And thanks from the finance department.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Amrita Chauhan. I'm from the SV Patil Institute of Management, Pune, from SVPP University. So, as the case study is given by us, so I have gone through it and prepared the solutions. I'm from the Human Resource Department. So, this is the title of my solution is Life of Employees with the Number of Skills. And the assignment is to create a blueprint for training and skill development of employees. So, as you can see that I have prepare a presentation or the blueprint for the specially focused on the training and skill development of the employees who are working with the company of the air purifier. So as per my understanding, the Manoj Singh and Parth Mittal are the two college students who are developed the company, that is the PM Clean Air Solutions Private Limited, and I have based on that study prepared some solutions that how their employee can be more skillful and what type of training they will required in the upcoming future. So this is the solutions that I have basically focused on the training for the software development team, that final device is based on the software as well as the production. So we have to focus on the basically on the software. So this is the training that they will needed, and for this training we are providing the special trainer for the software team, and the next training will be provided for the sales team, because the two trainers that we two salespersons, those who are working as a management trainee right now in the company, but after some time we have to prepare them for the full-time employment. So the basic training for them for in the sales department is very much required. So for that I have prepared those some schedule. And the next one, these are the common skills that all employees are required, that is the how to care the customers, how to communicate with the clients, the thinking and grooming program. And these are the policies that basically provided by each and every company in the HR department. So these are some HR policies and the productions policies, and the last and main is the workplace security policies that our company is providing during their employment. The conclusion is that as per the HR perspective, the very much important topic is that how to retain our employee in the company with the increment in their knowledge. So it will be helpful for our company's revenue generation as well as their personal growth. So I have based on this prepared some training and some schedule that what type of trainers are required and what will be the schedule for them. So the in detail is given in the attached PPT that I have already with the attached with the solution. So you can go through it, and that's all from my side for the as an HR member. So this is the solution. So
Hello everyone. Let's take a look at IT department plan. So first of all, we will be establishing and managing the mainstream AQMS software. We will be providing specific updates and bug fixes for it. The mainstream software will include new features such as displaying PM 2.5, PM 10, VOCs and NO2 in real time. Along with that, the software will also show filter change indication, noise level, and power consumption display. We will also be setting up data farm in order to store the data generated by the products, which will be used to analyze customer behavior and gather information. We will also plan to include AI ML solution into our operations so that the process will be better streamlined. We will be implementing blockchain in AQMS data, which will provide a secure and safe pathway for the data to be transferred between the product and the company. We will be formulating IT policies. The IT department will be taking up key role of setting up IT policy for all the employees. We will create and host website which will have crucial information about contacting the company, the mission, vision, and the know-how about the product. Next, we will be also developing Android and iOS application which the user can use to control the hybrid air purification system. Next, we will be adapting enterprise resource planning in order to align all the process of the company. We will maintain the cyber security and protect data against any data leakage, since business today are vulnerable to cyber attacks, no matter how big or how small the company is. We will set up server and maintain it. The IT department will try to create a dedicated server room with a server expert who will be working, whose work will revolve around setting up server 24/7. Along with this, we will be setting up the network managing of the entire office and the departments. We will provide hardware software support to all the departments. We plan to include cloud services and edge computing. We will have the functioning of setting it up and maintaining. We will install backup systems in order to back up all the data generated. And finally, we will be having a disaster management system to safeguard the company against complete shutdowns. Thank you. Thank you.